Hey guys, today we're looking at 653 Birch Avenue in Indianapolis, Indiana. This duplex is listed for $137,000 and it's in a 2-star neighborhood. Let's do a deep dive. Hey guys, this is the house we're looking at today. It's 653 Birch Avenue in Indianapolis. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, 1,008 square feet, and it was built in 1900. This house is listed for $137,000, almost $138,000. House is in a 2-star neighborhood with 1-star schools. The HOA is none. It's a duplex. It is currently vacant and there's no floodlights. The lot size is 2,200 square feet. And its current estimate market rent is $149,400. And we can go check out how close it is to Indianapolis. It is almost in downtown Indianapolis with a 6-minute drive time and an 11-minute bus to walk. For only walk, it doesn't really tell me, but I'm sure that's pretty far actually for a walk. But it's right next to, fairly close to Lucas Oil Stadium. And here there's a massive concrete pumping area right here. It's pretty big, and this is like for industrial stuff, industrial jobs. And we can go check out the front of the house. This is what the front house looks like from Google Maps. Keep in mind these photos are of 2019, so these photos are 2 years old now. And we can see that it has 0 garage, and judging by the roof here, it does not look too new, but it's not like covered in moss and doesn't look too bad. So it's not brand new and it's not super old. So it looks like there's a vacant lot next to the house. This could have changed within the last 2 years, but there's a current empty lot. So for the houses nearby, they look to be mainly duplexes. Like this is a duplex, this one's duplex. All the houses on the street are duplexes except for a couple of them. The neighborhood doesn't look too nice. Like I've seen some of these houses have destroyed like bars here. They have no door on the house, which is kind of bad. And so this neighborhood doesn't look like it's the nicest neighborhood, but it's also not the worst ones I've seen. So the neighborhood looks okay from the street view. For crime, there isn't much crime here. There was some theft of cars on the road, but it's in a lower crime zone than in over here. That usually is in city areas, and this is pretty close to Indianapolis, the city. And it's right next to the White River, which I haven't noticed that before. And so we can go check out some houses that are like it. So this is a comparison house. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, same house. Near it, it's about 10 minutes away from this house, and it was last sold 4 days ago for $85,000. That's around the estimate of the area. That's the estimate area price. So we can go check out another house. This house is it's like 17 minutes away. But it's a 3-bed, 1-bath. It's a $145,000, and it's 7% over the current area of $135,000. The reason I said that the area is $85,000 is both Redfin and Trulia both Zillow and Trulia say that's the average for the area. So we can go check out the house itself. So it's listed, the Trulia estimate is $85,000, and that's around what the other house sold for, so that might be the reason that it's listed at that. And this might be the estimate for one of the duplexes, one of the houses on this duplex, but it might not be. So we can go check out the pictures of the house. It looks to be mostly hardwood, but with all the rooms having carpet, which is like most houses. One thing I noticed about the house is it does not have a dishwasher. It might be enclosed by these drawers, but that's probably not the case. So there's no dishwasher on this house. And so for the picture of the outside, we can see that it will looking at Redfin, we can see that the pictures of the outside look pretty bad. Don't know when these photos were taken, but it looks like this house has been renovated since that. We can see that more by looking at the back of the house here, and we can check out the back of the house here, and we can see lots of like blemishes on the side of the house that are not on these photos here. These were taken last year, so this is renovated as of last year. Well, I don't know when it was renovated, but last year it was renovated. It had been renovated. So this house is 2-story, as we can see in these photos. It's two-story, and the stairs right there. Here's one of the closets. And so Redfin, it only has 3 pictures of the house, which was good because it let us know that it was renovated. We can see that was definitely fixed in the photos right here. It was definitely fixed. So it was renovated. On Zillow, its estimate is $85,000. I think it's the exact estimate of Trulia. We can see that right here. And yes, the exact same estimate, so they might be having something in common. So for its 3-bed 1-bath, I say, and it's a lot better photos of the house. And these were taken. Oh wait, no, they're the same photos, but they just look a lot better. And there's some new ones. This is one of a shower bathroom and a bathroom. So I think this is a full bathroom because a full bathroom has a shower, but it has no tub. And so this is a better picture of the kitchen. And it looks like there might have been something there. Like it could have been a dishwasher there or something, because it looks like there's something on the wall. It's covered up by this marking there. So we can see better pictures of the house. Well, brighter pictures. Look to be most about the same, but it shows a bit more. So we can go to what they think they think that the rent, the Zillow's estimate, is $1,000 a month, and that's for one of them, so that's around $2,000 a month. And the estimate market is $149,000. So that might be for just that might be for the whole thing. Usually for this, they only give you one of the houses in the thing. So if it was a quadplex, it'd be like a 1/4 of the actual monthly rent. But so that shows that this rent is estimate market is a bit higher than what it is. And we can go check out what the area is. But the population is 800,000 as of the 2014 census. The highest rank, I don't know of what. Population growth is at a 6% increase since 2000. And the median household income is at 42,000. Median household price is 117,000. And that is a bit lower than the price of the house, well, the listing price of the house. And the school district is a bit higher than what Roofstock says. So we can go check out this. This is, you could pause here and check all this out. This has everything you need to know about the house. It has all the stuff you need to see, like property type, bed, bath, garage, age, and stuff. But we're going to be looking at this right here, the median income. So for a rental, the rent for a person to pay was usually 1/3 their monthly income, because they have to pay bills and use most of that money for other stuff. So 1/3 of the monthly income is $1,300. So if the rent is any higher than that, they're going to have trouble paying that. And it seems like it is. Might be a bit higher. I'm going to stop right here. It's 13%, not 1.3. And so the population stuff is right here. And we can go check out Roofstock again. So for the pictures of the house, unfortunately they only have one, which is the front house. Thank goodness that we have other websites that can show us the photos of it. So for down payment, it's $35,000. And we can go check out the financials. So it's a 13.0 gross yield, 17.8 cap on cap, a cash on cash of 11.1, the annual return of 19.8. The total return in 5 years, if you were to sell the house, they think you would get $41,000. This is an estimate. That's not the exact number you'll get. For the cumulative cash flow, they think by year 1 you'll have $4,000. This is after everything. It's what you get. And then for sales proceeds, property value in 2026, they think it's that much. And so for appreciation, for the 20-year average, it's been 0.9%. And for the current year, it's gone up by 2.1%, which is pretty good. For projected 5 years, they think that it's 2.3. So that's an okay appreciation. That's just above inflation rates. That's not the best. Usually, if for a good appreciation rate, you'd look for around like 5. So for this house, I like the house. It's not the best house I've seen on this website, but it's a really good rental. I would buy this one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. For more videos like this, check out my website, REI Deep Dive. It'll be down in the description. It has all my videos there, and it'll have all the sites that I used for this video there too. Check out my Twitter, REI Deep Dive, and have a nice day.